I need to ask that too, I guess.
Yes.
Thank you. And tell me what you live next to or near.
Right in front of the school.
Right in front of the school? Which school is that?
Robb.
Okay. And is there a funeral home close by too?
Yes, sir.
And where is it from where you live?
Towards the west.
Okay. And did the place that you lived, still live, by Robb Elementary School, were you home?
Yes, sir.
On that morning of the 24th?
Yes, sir.
And what were you doing?
Getting ready for work.
And that was about 11:30 or so?
I don't remember.
Okay. Did something catch your attention out of the ordinary, though?
Yes, sir.
Would you tell the jury what that was?
At first I thought it was construction, but kept going on for a while, so I just thought it might be gunshots.
So at first it sounded construction. Can you describe that a little more for me so we kind of understand the sound?
A nail gun, someone banging on their house. I don't really remember.
Like a nail gun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you attached it to construction. Are you in the construction business?
No, sir.
Okay. And after you heard that for a while, then you changed your mind?
Yes, sir.
And tell us what did you change your mind to?
I thought maybe that's a firearm.
Okay. Where were you when you heard these things?
In the restroom, getting ready for work.
Inside your home?
House. Yes, sir.
And you could still hear those sounds?
Yes, sir.
It sounded like a nail gun and then like a gunshot. So what did you do?
I went to my window.
And where is your window?
I don't really know how.
Is it on the first floor, second floor?
Second.
Huh?
Second floor?
On the second floor?
Yes, sir.
And what did you do from the second floor?
Looked out the window.
Okay. Did you do anything other than look out the window?
Not right away, no.
Okay. Well, tell us what you saw as you looked out the window.
At first, nothing really. And then I looked out again, and I saw someone about to go into the school.
Someone what?
About to go into the school.
Okay. Could you describe what he looked like?
I don't remember.
Okay. Other than looking out the window, did you do anything else?
I took a video.
And how did you take the video?
On my phone.
Okay. And is it a relatively short video?
I believe so. I don't really remember.
Okay.
Judge, we don't object to the video.
Okay. Thank you. What's the number? At this time, then, Your Honor, we'd offer State's Exhibit 18.
It's submitted.
And I'm going to ask not to play it at this time, but to finish my direct and pass the witness and then play it. That's okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. Thank you.
Did you eventually turn that video over to law enforcement?
Yes, sir.
Pass the witness.
Mr. Hill, I'm Nico LaHood. I represent Adrian, one of the lawyers who represents him. Have you testified before?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm just going to ask you questions. No, I'm not going to go at you. But I do want your full name for the record. What's your first name?
Jose?
Jose Gil? And Gil, is it G-I-L or H-I-L-L?
H-I-L-L.
Okay, because Gil can be G-I-L, right? You should spell it a different way. So you look out the window, and from your window, you can see the parking lot of Robb Elementary, or a corner of it.
No.
No? Well, you can see the west side entrance, maybe?
Yes.
Is that fair enough to say? Okay, and the west side entrance from your window, what's behind your view from the window and behind the west side entrance?
It's just an empty field next to the alley.
Is there something between the empty field and the alley and then the west side entrance?
A ditch?
Okay. There's not a parking lot. Is there? Let me ask you in general. Is there a parking lot on the west side, outside the west side entrance?
I guess so. It was just gravel, but yeah, I guess.
Was it paved back then?
I don't remember.
Okay. But did you watch the person that entered the west side entrance for a while, or was it just kind of momentarily?
It was just quick, momentarily.
Why did you get a video? Why did you start your camera?
because I can't see very well. So I was like, wait, is someone actually going in there? Is someone actually holding a firearm? That's pretty much it.
And I know you don't want to watch the video, and I respect that, but what will the jury eventually see from that window, from your recollection, from your video?
Just like 2 seconds of him about to go into the school.
Thanks for being here, Mr. Hill. Pass the witness.
No further questions?
Recall, anybody?
No, Your Honor.
No recall?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, you're excused from the subpoena. Thank you. Safe travels. All right, Mr. Turner?
May we display Exhibit 18 to the jury, Your Honor?
Yes, it's published.
Thank you, Your Honor. Next call, Agent Gwen.
All right.
Agent Gwen.
Sir, would you raise your right hand? You solemnly swear the evidence in the testimony given in the cause will be the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Have a seat.